beautiful morning. Time for something fun to eat. Time for something unique to eat. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Simply fantastic. Good morning. It is a beautiful spring morning here at McMurtry Farms. This is where I stayed in my first hip camp overnight, and I had a really good sleep. And now it's time to do some breakfast. So we're going to do something fun today. We're going to do something that I like to do at home, but we're going to bring it to the road, and that is shakshuka. Now, I do my shakshuka a little bit different. I do add in a little chorizo into it. And when it's all said and done, this is a great meal you can do at home, in an RV, or even out camping. So let's get started. First, got to get everything set up and then start cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is start my pan with some bacon in it. I'm going to heat up the pan. I'm using a cast iron skillet. I'm going to throw some bacon in there, cook that off. Partially because I want some bacon with this, but also I want to use that oil to cook the rest of my shakshuka. Once the bacon's done, we're going to get that off the heat, and then in the pan we're going to add in some chopped onions and red peppers first, and we want to start to cook those down. Again, handling your mise en place at home, getting things chopped up will make cooking on the road a little bit easier. Once the onions and peppers are cooked down, we'll add in a little bit of garlic, and then we're going to add in some tomatoes. The onions and peppers are in there marinating and cooking down right now. It's time to add in your spices. We're going to use some cumin, some salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano, some cayenne pepper, and some paprika. We'll get that all in, mix that up, and then after the spices, we're going to add in a little bit of chorizo, start cooking that down, and then add in some tomatoes. Smell those spices all in there melding together, the chorizo, the onions and peppers. So you want to continue to cook things down for a little bit longer, and then you're going to create a well to put in your eggs, and then add in some feta cheese as well. shakshuka is done. Now it is time to get some coffee done, toast up some bread because you want some bread with this, and then eat this all up. And voila, there you have it. Shakshuka. I've got some coffee, some juice water, some toast, and some bacon. Let's dive into this. Absolutely fantastic. You do your mise en place at home before you hit the road. It's even easier. Even if you did it here all at your campsite, it's still a pretty easy dish to make. The key, really letting those onions and peppers and tomatoes cook down, and then you have some nice old crusty bread to go with everything. And it is perfect, especially with a view like that. I'll put a link to how I do all of this in the description below. And maybe, who knows, you'll try it either at home or out on the road. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. Get out there. Chef it up. You know my motto, there's no need to eat poorly on the road. And this is a perfect example of eating well when you're out and about. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.